This summer, coming to a theatre near you, the lead team in the 70s. Great stuff, team. You had a fabulous Western Whale. Great presentation, Karen, today. Oh, this one is amazing. Thanks, Tim. Oh, great. Yes.
Discover, plan, perform.
Oh, absolutely. That was just a fabulous session.
Great performance, guys. What a presentation.
Bloody public servants. Look at them spending money on fondue.
Oi, let's get the drinks in.
Keep that receipt.
Well, look at what you have here.
He looks familiar. I've
Let's
seen
twist the
that
custom
face
away.
before.
And my fabulous boss, Tim. Here, Tim, have a kiss. You're a kiss too, Karen.
She doesn't have a clue.
I'd like to take the opportunity to thank you all, including Tim.
Cheers, Janine. Still no idea.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yes.
Why are you looking at Minister Joyce? You know, he likes to pick up girls.
Mr. Joyce.
Wow.